In this video, I will show you how to find an old Blogspot account. If you previously created a blog on Blogspot but cannot remember which Google account was linked to it, there are a few ways to recover access. The first method is to check your Google accounts to see if any of them were associated with Blogger. Open blogger.com and click on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you will see a list of all Google accounts you have signed into on your browser. Try switching between these accounts one by one to see if any of them contain your old blog. If you do not find your blog through this method, you can also check your email accounts for any messages related to Blogger. Open your Gmail inbox and use the search bar to look for terms like Blogger or Blogspot. If you previously received emails related to your blog, such as confirmation messages or comment notifications, this could help you identify which Google account was linked to your Blogspot site. And this is how you can find an old Blogspot account and regain access to your previously created blogs.